Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the rifle safe and stable. Ensure it is unloaded and on a steady rest. Once done, mount the red dot and tighten to spec. This prevents shift when firing. Then, at 10 to 15 yards, bring the dot onto the target and fire a controlled 3-shot group to get on paper. You are doing this now to eliminate large offsets quickly, so you have a predictable starting point for finer adjustments. Now you move to precision. Fire a consistent 3-shot group at 25 yards and measure the offset from the bull. Use the site's click value, 1 click equals the manufacturer's MOA or to correct windage and elevation. Make small, deliberate adjustments, then fire another group to confirm. Once your group is within 1/2 to 1 MOA of center, you're ready to verify at practical distances. This process reduces guesswork and yields a consistent point of impact. Finish by confirming the 0 at your chosen distance, 50 or 100 yards, and adjust for drop if required. Make sure adjustment caps are seated and mounting screws are torqued to spec. This locks in your work. If the point of impact suddenly moves, inspect the mount, battery seating, and optic for parallax or loose parts, then reshoot a group after fixing the problem. This final check prevents surprises and keeps your red dot reliably on target.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.